Hey, it's Derek with ALPS Outdoors. For all you upland game hunters out there, this is the vest for you. This is our upland game vest in our Extreme line. Uses all high quality materials. On the waist belt, on both sides, it's got a drop down gun holder. It's also got shell pockets. For 2018, we are going to introduce a new size for this in the XL.
Hi there. I'd like to introduce you to the Oboz Bridger Mid Be-Dry Waterproof Boot. This mid-height, all-leather boot is great for hiking and backpacking. With excellent support and hardly any break-in time, it's trail-ready right out of the box. The slightly higher volume boot is narrow in the heel to eliminate slippage, reducing the chance of blisters. A generous forefoot and toe box provide ample room for your toes or for thicker socks. We built this boot with a protective toe cap and a supportive external heel counter. At Oboz, each and every waterproof, breathable, be-dry membrane is tested to be 100% waterproof. This boot is also treated with a durable water repellent finish. Our proprietary O-Fit insole is made up of 3 different densities of EVA foam, which provides cushioning and underfoot support. The end goal of this insole is to place your foot in a neutral position and to give you superior fit, feel, and performance. Our Granite Peak midsole is built to be supportive and protective. If you're tired of feeling rocks and roots underfoot, then here's your solution. This midsole features EVA for cushioning and comfort, and a TPU chassis for maximum torsional stability. Deep gripping lugs provide reliable traction and mud shedding abilities. The topo map on the bottom of this outsole features Granite Peak, which is the tallest mountain in Montana. This is an excellent choice for hikers and backpackers who are looking for sufficient ankle support. The Bridger Mid has exceptional fit straight out of the box with almost no need for break-in, waterproofing to keep your feet dry in all conditions, and the durability to go the distance.
As an addition to the Drover Pack range, the Drover Bino Pack is now available in the Biari Native Concealment Camouflage pattern designed by SPIKA. Features include a padded, reinforced 4-point body harness, a magnetised lid, additional front and side pockets, a rain cover, industry-leading Duraflex hardware, YKK zippers, and silent material construct. For a detailed breakdown on all the features included in this pack, and for all other packs included in the Drover range, head over to the SPIKA Team YouTube channel. Also, check out biari.spika.com.au for all information on the Biari camouflage pattern by SPIKA.
Whether you're hiking, hunting, or enjoying a day in the outdoors, Ben's 30% DEET insect repellent provides you with long-lasting protection from mosquitoes, ticks, and other biting insects. Ben's 30 is an EPA-registered bug spray proven to repel ticks that may carry Lyme disease, as well as mosquitoes that may carry the Zika virus, West Nile virus, chikungunya, and dengue fever. The active ingredient DEET is recommended by the Centers for Disease Control to protect against disease-carrying insects, and Ben's 30% DEET concentration is recommended by the American Academy of Pediatrics as the maximum strength for protecting children. This 6-ounce can features our trademark EcoSpray technology. EcoSpray delivers continuous, even coverage without releasing any harmful aerosols into the environment. You can spray Benz in any direction, making it easy to apply even to hard to reach places. To apply to your face, neck, and ears, spray into your hands and then rub onto your skin. Unlike other repellents, Benz 30 features an unscented, alcohol-free formula, so less repellent evaporates into the air, providing a longer-lasting protection. The locking cap means you can add it to your car or pack without worrying about leaks. With enough repellent for many applications, Benz 30% DEET 6-ounce continuous spray lets you enjoy the outdoors bug-free.